It's time. Time to do meteorology and chew bubblegum. And I'm all out of bubblegum. So here are the surface winds of the eastern world. Like sands through the hourglass of time, these are the surface winds of the east. Here are the jet streams of the east. Once again, some cold air making its way up into southwestern Australia. Very cold days as winter approaches the land from under. I call it the land from under. It's got nothing to do with from under cheese. Please don't say grotesque things in the comments. Here are the jet streams of the Americas. In the northern hemisphere, jet stream is all over the place. Southern hemisphere jet stream a little bit chaotic as well. Some very cold temperatures here coming to southeastern South America there. Check it out. You can see some air coming out of the Southern Ocean there. That is some cold stuff going on. So there are the surface winds of the Americas. Some very strong winds coming out of the east there across Baffin Bay. And here are the surface winds of Europe and Africa. Southern Ocean, pretty turbulent down there. Some significant low pressure systems. You can see that clockwise rotation characteristic of southern hemisphere low pressure systems. Here are the jet streams of this side of the planet, and we have a powerful upper level low here off the coast of Spain/Portugal. You can see that translating all the way to the jet stream level, rotating counterclockwise there. Let's move on, as there's plenty more to cover. Here's your weather.gov map. If your county's lit, click your county. We've got some serious high surf warnings here around Hawaii. Looks like a great day to be surfing. Some flood warnings there in the central U.S. and some frost advisories in some portions of the U.S. like Maine, South Dakota, and Nevada. How about them apples? Some cold air still making its way down from Canada. Next, your NASA GOES lightning mapper. Heavy lightning over Central America, and a band of lightning stretching all the way from the Texas-Oklahoma border, I'll say, up beyond to Lake Ontario area. A quick view of a real-time lightning map will show you the teeth of the storms. And where you see those circles appearing, those are active lightning strikes. Hey, Jefferson City, Missouri, there are some active cells to your south. St. Louis, I think you're in the crosshairs. A series of thunderstorms expected to strike St. Louis, it looks like. Let's take a look at the water vapor over the Pacific Ocean, since we'd like to view the meteorological situation from a global perspective. It helps people to understand the physics. This is what's going on in the water vapor situation. It'll show you things like upper level winds. It'll show you all of the water vapor, which is quite crucial. And you can see a major low here, right there over Oklahoma. So we've still got snow in the forecast here. This is the 72-hour GFS positive snow depth change forecast, and Wyoming and Colorado especially. Colorado expecting another like 9 inches, 8 inches of snow in some locations there, right in central Colorado there. Apparently it's so hot that it's cold in Colorado. Here is your GFS 72-hour pressure and precipitation forecast. And you can see a powerful system there headed for Miami. Will it be a hurricane? Let us know in the comments what you think. Once again, that's your GFS 72-hour pressure and precipitation forecast. Let's move on to the windy.com pressure map. Let's just advance this to 3 days to see where this expects the low to be. This is the European forecast for about 3 days from now, and you can see that low expected to be off the west coast of Florida by the European forecast. That's the European model from windy.com. Next, moving to recommend that you join the Smash Team at smashomash.com/Smash Team. If you're miffed that you can't see all of our videos in the same location, click on posts at smashomash.com/Smash Team. You'll see all of our major releases. There is yesterday's offerings. We've gotten lots of complaints on YouTube about people not seeing our content on their video feeds, so we decided to host it ourselves. Also, if you want to support the channel, become a member at the silver or gold annual paid up subscription level at smashomash.com/smashteam. Today's featured product is Do Not Pole Vault the Caldera. It's a public service message. Give Smash staff a raise by picking up some Do Not Pole Vault the Caldera merch. We've got great pride in our merch. It's a public service message. If you're going through hell, keep going. If you think things can't get worse, think again. Things can get much worse. And the last thing we need to see is something like a supervolcano eruption. If you think food prices are high now, wait till you see what happens if we see a major volcanic eruption. In any case, do not pole vault the caldera. Thy power comes from within. And if you're going through hell, keep going. You can find links to that on our homepage, smashomash.com. Click on Smasho Merch or Smash Team to join the Smash Team. There's also a forum. We are writing a paper to explain plausibly, that is, the mechanism underlying the solar sunspot and solar polar field reversal cycles. It's kind of important, and once it passes peer review, it'll be one of the most important papers in centuries. Next, looking at the the weather.gov. It's the U.S. Doppler radar map here from radar.weather.gov. There's the full 50-state view, and here is the lower 48 view. So heavy storms there making their way toward the Great Lakes region. You can see all that cloud cover, the low pressure right over Oklahoma, it looks like at the moment. Just moving into Oklahoma. So the low is right about here, folks. And hopefully that helps you if your Doppler radar is not providing accurate information for you, if it's not telling you what's going to happen next with the weather. By the way, this system is going to turn a little bit to the east. So I can just tell, just by looking at the water vapor map, that that's going to be the case. Here's your recap U.S. Doppler radar. Shortwave radiation showing clouds and fog at night. And the water vapor map. Thanks for tuning into the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. And may that terrestrial wind be at your back.